Lacking confidence? If you are feeling low on confidence or you just want an extra push of positivity in the morning, then this video is for you. There is a lot of crystals that can support you for many things, but these 5 crystals can do wonders to boost confidence. Hi, my name is Gisela, and I am a certified Reiki Master and Crystal Reiki. And today I will show you the 5 best crystals that can boost your confidence in your day-to-day routine. Stay tuned. I would like to start to defining where are the traits of lack confidence. Sometimes people confuse self-esteem with self-confidence. So to have that clear what we need to work on, I make a little list that can help us to see where we are at. Fear to be judged, self-doubt, blame others, giving up easy in our goals, avoiding interaction, allowing the past define us, have negative opinion about ourselves, reject ourselves, and believe that we are not good enough. This is kind of list that I kind of put it together to help us to have a big picture that what exactly is lack confidence. So now that we have that clear, so let's begin with the crystals. Let's start with orange tourmaline. Sometimes it's called golden tourmaline. These crystals support you to have a clear thinking and setting goals. Means it will help you to have a really sharp mind to set up your goal and go for it. Also promote perseverance. It means it won't let you give up on your goals. And the last but not least, self-worth and positive attitude. Next crystal, Sunstone. This crystal assists you in inner conviction and self-discipline. Also melts away the sense of unworthiness and help you with that or assist you with the acquisition of knowledge and attainment of wisdom. And don't forget, hit the red subscribe button, like, and leave a comment if you have any insights about this video. I would love to know everything about it. And bear with me to the end. I will show you the really quick routine that you can use every day, 5 minutes, to keep on with your day. Next crystal, Moonstone. Moonstone is for new beginnings. It will support you in new beginnings. It will support you for a big change. Sometimes we are afraid to change, and this stone, it will provide you support and strength. Also, it will give you support in any success in life, relationships, business. It supports you in any personal goal. Next crystal, fire opal. These crystals boost your confidence to take those risks and face adversity head on. It's a crystal power when you're looking for opportunities and you need strength. Help you overcoming shyness and fears to taking action and defeating thinking. And the last but not least, you becoming optimistic and social outgoing. Next crystal, carnelian. Carnelian will support you to with extra motivation or extra push to achieve your deepest desire. Also, it will help you channeling creativity to finish and accomplish deadlines. And the last but not least is the stone of courage. It will give you confidence to express yourself. And here is the tip that you can implement in your daily routine as promised. Rewire our thoughts. Let me explain you in few words how this works. When you introduce to your brain a new concept, your brain will create a thought. And immediately, your brain will activate your imagination. And your imagination integrate with action. In other words, mental practices help you to prepare for a physical action. That's the reason why when athletes prepare for the Olympics game, not only they prepare physically, but mentally too. Now, lack of confidence are negative thoughts or bad experience that hold us back to move forward or take action on our dreams or goals. So, to boost our self-confidence, I prepare for you a list of affirmations that will go along with the benefit of any of the crystals that you will choose from this video to work on. And don't worry, right below in the description, you will find a link where you can download your affirmation recorded in MP3 file to keep it by you, and you can listen in any time. And as you notice, you are the creator. You are the healer. Is it not wonderful? So what are we waiting for?